What's up everybody and welcome back to another great video. My name is Alden here at opticalproduction.com. Make sure you like and share and subscribe to this channel before we get started. I know my hair is a mess and I'm representing LSU today. Since I am in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, I have to represent. This video today is going to cover the basics on how to key out a green screen in After Effects. I will go over the menu and how to actually get started. I think that everybody should know how to key out something. There comes a time in your career where there will be a project where you need to key out something, even if it's a photo or a video. It does not have to be in After Effects. There's other platforms where you can do this, but like I said, knowing the basics is definitely very beneficial to you. The naming conventions and everything else is kind of similar, so you will understand how to do it and get the job done. Also, there's a tip to shoot something on a green screen before we get started. Make sure that you shoot everything in the highest resolution. If you have a 4K camera, that I think will work the best, but also 1080p will also work, but I learned that the higher the resolution, the better the key. So let's jump into After Effects and get started. Alright everybody, now we are in After Effects, and what you want to do first is open up After Effects and also create a new composition. What you want to do is 1020 by 1080, 24 frames per second, it's fine, and press OK. And then what you want to do is right here on the left side, you want to of course import all your stuff in and your footage. And this particular clip, what I have is it was shot in 4K. And this is one of my friends. We did this long time ago. I want to use this demonstration, which was the only 4K footage that I had, and just want to key this out and make it look good. So, well, the first thing what you want to do is we want to get rid of the green. All right. To do so, we want to apply. You want to go to Effects, and then go to Keying. And then after that, you want to go to Key Light 1.2. So click on that, and nothing happened because we did not select what color we want to get rid of. Right here, if you can see screen color, how you pronounce that, we want to pick the color. All right, and now once you click on it, whatever you select, the program will get rid of it. So again, let's repeat that one more time. Go to your screen color, click on it, and then what you want to do is you want to zoom in a little bit into your footage. What I did right here, see, I selected his skin tone, and his skin tone I got rid of the skin tone right here. All right, but we don't want that. We want to get rid of the green. So what you always want to do is you want to grab the color that's closest to him. All right, not further. So whatever is close to him, that's what you want to select. All right, closest to him. All right, which is that green right there. All right, so far it looks good, but our eye cannot see everything in detail. So what we want to do is we want to switch our view combined matte. All right, as you can see, the basics of green screen, how it works: the white will show, the black color won't show. So we got a bunch of stuff here that's being shown, which we don't want, all this nasty stuff right here. Also inside of him, if you can zoom in right here, we got a little bit gray color inside him, which means that this part will be transparent a little bit, and that's what we don't want. Okay, to get rid of all the stuff, to make it nice, we want to open up this menu right here, screen matte. And you can see a bunch of things right here, which is very confusing at the beginning. But what you need to know for this thing is that clip black and clip white. That's all you need to know. And what we want to do is grab the clip black and move it up, meaning to get rid of all the white inside the black. So the more you increase the number, it gets rid of everything. So we want to go as much as we can. And we got rid of everything. As you can see, there's only a little bit left here, but we're gonna mask that out later, and the lights, and a little bit right here on the left bottom corner. Now you're asking yourself, how do I get rid of all this stuff inside him? Well, simple. Is the screen white? We want to increase that till it disappears. Do it as much as you can till everything is gone. But if you go too much, it will invert it. So pretty much you're inverting everything, and you're kind of finding a medium that works best. Okay, so for this one is 79. If you have a different type of footage, it will be a different number. So every green screen has a different lighting, so you want to adjust it till you get a nice feel and it looks good to you, and you want to adjust it till it's right for you, for your clip. All right, for my clip, these are the numbers, and so far so good. So you want to go back to final result and see what we did, and this is the key. All right, everything is nice and clean, the edges look nice, and usually there's a little bit green being reflected onto the skin and also onto his shirt right here. What I like to do right after this, what I like to do is go to effects, go back into the same menu, keying, and go into advanced spill suppressor. All right, and just select it, and nothing happened. You want to go to ultra, tolerance, play around with it till you get rid of the green reflection. Some have a lot of it and some don't, but this advanced spill suppressor will actually get rid of the green that's being reflected onto the skin or the subject that you have. So kind of like I said, play around with it. It's a subtle detail, but some, like I said, different footage, different results. Surprisingly, this one was great. It didn't really suppress that much, but always use this tool, and it will be definitely beneficial that you do that. You know, if you don't, you're gonna have a little bit of green everywhere, which you don't want, and you need to suppress that green. All right, and you can, like I said, increase the numbers and such, which makes it black and white. And if you bring it down, so kind of find a medium, like I said before, with everything, and kind of play around with it till you get it right. All right, now that we have done that, we want to mask him out. We want to get rid of the light, and we want to get rid of this little corner right here on the left. So what you want to do is go right here on top and select the pen tool. Make sure you select it on the you have the clip selected. All right, pen tool, and what you want to do is just go around him like this. You can go a little bit out depending on your footage that you have, and remember, we're gonna go around this little thing right here, and now everything is gone. We have masked it out and he's on its own. And then when you scroll through it, we can see, and this is 4K footage, it takes a little bit to you know, update here, but as you can see, it's a nice key. Everything looks clean, and there's no grain or garbage stuff left behind, and it's a very nice clean. To actually test it even further, I have a background ready here. Let me see, that's his clip. Let me just find it real fast. This is the alley that I want to put behind him, so you just grab that and put it underneath him like so. All right, and then just scale that up a little bit. And there we go, we got a nice key. Looks great. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions or requests for something else you want to learn, leave a comment below. I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and let this channel grow a little bit bigger. I'm hoping to get at least you know, 10,000 views on this video. That will be great. I will celebrate and make another video for you guys. So see you guys next time. Peace out.